You know this whole place used to be British.
Like a colony or some shit?
Shit, looks like we're gonna hit Mike 2-6, Kerry. Miller's gonna brief us now. You ready?
As I'm sure you're all well aware, comms are still down. Efforts to re-establish contact with NATO Medcom have thus far proved fruitless. The plain truth, gentlemen, with the AAF regrouping, we must re-establish a link soon. Now, beside the airbase, Mike 2-6 is the most high-tech installation on Stratis. It's also one of the most strategically valuable positions on the island. It's a risk, but hitting the facility will deal a serious blow to the AAF. And if anywhere holds an opportunity to reopen channels, it's there. This will be a coordinated effort. Charlie will set up a mortar, Alpha will provide overwatch and mark any priority targets. We'll strike hard from a distance, and together with Bravo, move in quickly, hold the positions against any potential counterattack. Okay, squad leaders, form on me. I'll share some extra details. The rest of you, get set. Dismissed.
I'm gonna feel a whole lot better once we actually get comms with command back online. Who knows what's going on out there, you know? I mean, it could be World War III for all we know.
Alpha to Bravo. Charlie, what's your status? Over.
This is Bravo. In position. Awaiting the order. Over. Charlie here. We're almost set up. ETA 2 mics. Over.
Copy that. Alpha out. Kerry, dismount. Kerry, hold fire. Move to grid 038034. units are now on standby. Out. Move 75 meters. Front. Hit the dirt. All units, be advised. We've taken up a position on Overwatch. Charlie, expect request for fire mission shortly. Out. All right, Kerry, you're up. Call out targets for Charlie. Remember, the tower at Bravo's entry point, anything guarding the main entrance, has priority.
Requesting immediate fire support at the designated coordinates. Over.
Target location received. Ordnance is inbound. Out. Rounds complete. Out.
Requesting immediate fire support at the designated coordinates. Over.
Target location received. Ordnance is inbound. Out. Rounds complete. Out.
Requesting immediate fire support at the designated coordinates. Over.
Splash. Out. Rounds complete. Out. Target location received. Ordnance is inbound. Out.
Requesting immediate fire support at the designated coordinates. Over.
Splash. Out. Rounds complete. Out. Target location received. Ordnance is inbound. Out. Splash. Out. Alpha to Bravo, engage when ready. Engage when ready. Do you copy? Splash. Out.
We copy you, Alpha. Bravo's on the move. Out.
Kerry, board that vehicle. Weapons free. Stay sharp. Move left. Dismount. Move 100 meters. Front.
Copy that. Waiting.
We'll go.
Waiting.
Enemy! Kerry, attack that rifleman. Front. Lopez! Kerry! Engage that man! Front! Rifleman! 100 meters! Front! Man! 75 meters! Front! Everett! Engage that man! Front!
Engaging target.
Rifleman! 75 meters! Front! 100 meters! Front!
Target neutralized.
Hostile down! Falcon, this is Alpha. Be advised, we've secured Mike 2-6. Any word on AAF reinforcements? Over.
Excellent work, Alpha. This takes us one step closer to leaving this rock. Wait one. This is Delta. Be advised, Greenbacks are definitely mobilizing. We counted at least 2 motorized infantry squads. They're gearing up at Rogaine. We're en route back to your position now. We'll try to open up a channel to Medcom. Just watch your fire. We're coming in from the northeast.
Will do, Delta. Kerry, there's another watchtower at the northern end of the facility. Get up there and put our remaining rounds to good use. Charlie standing by. Be advised. Support units are now on standby. Out.
Requesting immediate fire support at the designated coordinates. Over.
Target location received. Ordnance is inbound. Out. Rounds complete. Out.
Requesting immediate fire support at the designated coordinates. Over.
Splash. Out. Target location received. Ordnance is inbound. Out. Rounds complete. Out. Splash. Out. Shit, Charlie's out of rounds. All right, looks like we're gonna have to do this the hard way. Alpha to Falcon, enemy reinforcements neutralized. Awaiting further orders. Over.
Fine work, Alpha. Entrench your position for now. Delta, sit rep. Over. Bad news, sir. We've got nothing here. No way to establish a link to Medcom. All the equipment's fried. At least we can rig it to blow. We're setting the charges now. All squads, get clear! Wait, what? You can't just blow it up! What the fuck was all this for, then? Stand down, Bravo! That's an order. If we can't hold it, we raise it. Proceed, Delta. Burn it down. The rest of you fall back to Maxwell. Falcon out. Timer set. 60 seconds to detonation.
Move 100 meters, right. Move 600 meters.